There was a time when almost anyone could repair a car. If something broke, you opened the hood, found the damaged part, and replaced it. Most problems were mechanical, visible, and relatively simple to understand. But modern cars feel completely different. Today, a tiny sensor can disable an entire vehicle. A dead battery can affect multiple systems at once. And in some cases, replacing a simple part requires computer programming before the car will even recognize it. So what happened? Why did modern cars become so difficult and expensive to repair? The answer begins with one major change. Cars stopped being purely mechanical machines and became computers on wheels. Inside a modern vehicle, there can be more than 100 electronic control units, also known as ECUs. These tiny computers constantly communicate with each other through a digital network hidden inside the car. One computer controls the engine, another manages braking, others control steering, airbags, parking sensors, cameras, climate systems, and even the headlights. How cars changed. In older vehicles, pressing the gas pedal physically moved a cable connected directly to the engine, but in many modern cars, pressing the pedal only sends an electronic signal to a computer. That computer then decides how much power the engine should produce. The same thing happened to many other systems. Steering became electronically assisted, braking became computer monitored, and even basic features started depending on software and sensors. This technology made vehicles smarter, safer, and more fuel efficient than ever before, but it also created a huge problem. Complexity. Why repairs became harder. Years ago, mechanics could often identify problems simply by listening to the engine or checking visible damage. Today, many failures are almost invisible. A small malfunction inside a sensor or software module can suddenly trigger warning lights across the entire dashboard. Sometimes the mechanical parts are perfectly fine, but the software controlling them is not. That is why modern repair shops rely heavily on diagnostic computers. When a warning light appears, mechanics connect scan tools directly to the vehicle's internal systems. Without those tools, diagnosing modern cars can become extremely difficult. Software locks. Repairs became even more complicated because manufacturers started using proprietary software and digital security systems. In some vehicles, replacing a perfectly working part is not enough. The new component must also be electronically programmed or approved before the car accepts it. Even simple repairs are changing. Replacing a windshield may require recalibrating cameras and sensors afterward. Changing a battery can require software registration, and replacing headlights may involve dealership-only programming systems. At the same time, modern vehicles are engineered around fuel efficiency, crash safety, aerodynamics, and emissions regulations. To achieve this, engineers pack components extremely tightly together under the hood. As a result, mechanics often need to remove multiple parts just to access the actual problem. Repairs that once took 30 minutes can now take several hours, but manufacturers argue there is a reason for all this complexity. Modern cars are dramatically safer than older vehicles. Advanced braking systems can prevent accidents automatically. Electronic stability systems help drivers maintain control during dangerous conditions. Sensors constantly monitor tire pressure, engine performance, and vehicle stability in real time. And all of this requires processors, cameras, software, radar systems, and electronic components working together continuously. The EV revolution. Then came another major shift. Traditional gasoline engines contain hundreds of moving mechanical parts, but EVs rely heavily on battery systems, electric motors, power electronics, and software management systems. Some modern vehicles can even receive software updates through the internet. Performance can improve overnight without replacing any hardware at all, which means vehicles are becoming less mechanical and more digital every year. Cars used to be machines repaired mainly with tools and mechanical skill. Now they are intelligent systems controlled by software, sensors, and computers. And that single change transformed car repair forever. So what do you think? Were the old days of pure mechanical skill better? Or is this modern era of software and sensors the ultimate winner? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe right now for more high-quality, deeply informative content just like this.